What's going on, guys? Francis here. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create and fund a virtual dollar card. Now if you're somebody that shops online on platforms like AliExpress and most foreign sites that require you to pay using a dollar card, getting a regular dollar card from a bank might be quite tasking, especially if you're in Nigeria. Now, the best way around this is to get yourself a virtual dollar card, which means that you do not get a physical card but a virtual card, which serves the same purpose of a physical card. It enables you make payments online and without no hassle or delay in getting your card. That said, let's get into this video. Now, the platform I'll be using to create this dollar card is a platform called Cardtonic. Not to worry, I will leave links in the description so that you can download this app. Now, after clicking on the link, you're redirected to the Google Play Store or the App Store to download the Cardtonic app. Click on download. Now, after downloading the app, click on open. Wait for it to load up. Next, click on allow. Click on create account. This is if you do not already have a Cardtonic account. Now fill all these details. So where it says referral code, ensure you enter this code. Ensure you enter this code D12K8D. That is our referral code, okay? Now hit create an account. Now you'll be redirected to this page where you are expected to enter a 4-digit code that will be sent to your email address. So check your email address for a 4-digit code that has been sent. If you do not get it, please check your promotions tab or you check your spam folder. So I have successfully verified the account. So click on go to dashboard and say maybe later. Click on next. So I have successfully created the Cardtonic account. Now the next thing I will need to do is to perform KYC. So click on settings, click on identity verification, and here you're required to enter your date of birth and your BVN, and the last thing you're required to do is to take a selfie. So let me quickly do that. So I have successfully verified my Cardtonic account. Now the next thing I will need to do is to add funds to my account. So click on the home page and go back to wallets. Click on top up. Click on generate virtual account. You can see account generated successfully. So all you need to do is click on top up again and it will generate an account number for you to be able to deposit into the Cardtonic app. Now the account name should be your name and the bank name should be 9PSB. It can be abbreviated to 9PSB, but it's 9 Payment Service Bank. So you copy the account number and head over to your bank app to deposit. So I have successfully deposited 116,000 naira onto this Cardtonic account. Mind you, you are charged a fee of about 1,700 for your first time deposit. Now the next thing we are to do is to create a virtual dollar card. So click on virtual dollar card, click on continue. Remember, you'll be charged a fee of 2,370 naira. So click on continue, and it also only allows the creation of Visa cards. So input your details, after which your card will be created. So let me quickly do that. For security purposes, this will also be blurred out. Now click on create virtual card. You can see your virtual dollar card would be processed in minutes. So proceed to dashboard. So my dollar card has successfully been created. Now the next thing we have to do is to fund the dollar card. Now click on fund card. Now you're expected to enter the figures in terms of dollars, not naira. So 107,000 should be about $68. You can also click on this icon here to change it from dollars to naira. You're charged a fee of 2,114 naira for this deposit or this funding. So you can see the breakdown below. What you need to do now is click on fund card, enter your PIN. So I have successfully funded my dollar card. Proceed to dashboard. Now that is basically how you create and fund a virtual dollar card, which you can now use to shop online or pay for various courses. That said, I hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.